Hi, this is Atmir with the latest edition of the Bulletin Board Heroes for Wednesday, the 29th of November. Don't forget, tomorrow, the 30th of November, London South East has its Twitter Traders event, which I'll be hosting at the Bull and Hyde opposite Liverpool Street. Getting on with the stocks, Blenheim Natural Resources first up here. And you can see that we've had the break through the 200-day moving average at 0.55 pence. Probably want to see an end of week close, let's say, above 0.65 pence to show that the resistance that we've had since the summer has finally been broken. Looks as though it will break, but obviously it's better to be sure and be safe. Target here above 0.65 as high as 1 pence, which would be the top of this year's trend channel. Stop loss at 0.46, currently level with the floor of the channel and the 50-day moving average. Going on to tertiary minerals, which has been a long wait for bulls to get back in gear. We had a spike up to 0.89, come back to within this wedge formation. Top of the wedge at 0.75, so an end of day close or end of week close, maybe for the cynics, above 0.75 would then finally signal that the shares had or were delivering a sustainable turnaround. The ideal scenario over the next few sessions is that we don't break back below the 50-day moving average at 0.57 pence, and that's the technical stop loss at the moment. Going on to one of the hotter situations at the moment, we've got Harvest Minerals. Beautiful break through the 200-day moving average falling feature at the end of last month, and then we've got basically a bull flag breakout. Extended base here as well since the beginning of the year, so saucer shaped formation as well, which backs the idea that we're going to see a decent move here. The basic message is above the 50-day moving average at 12.36 pence. We could hit 25 pence over the next couple of months. The turnaround also backed by an uptrend line in the RSI window, so that helps inspire confidence. The ideal scenario is that we remain above 15 pence, the initial November resistance, on an end of week close basis. Couple of blockchain plays which should continue to enjoy the rise of Bitcoin. We saw Milestone Group spike up the beginning of the week, consolidating at the moment, as you would expect, probably half of the rise, but there was a gap to the upside to start the week, and that is what I call a rocket launcher feature, so a very strong feature there. If we stay above the mid 0.3s, 0.35, 0.36, one would be looking for an eventual move here as high as the top of a rising December trend channel at 0.75 pence over the next month or so. RSI cooling off as well after coming off the near to the 100 level. Finishing off with Vela, which is one of today's biggest rises. Very good chart here over the recent past ahead of this turnaround. So we had basically an extended base, which was nearly 3-year extended base, finally coming out of that and breaking through the 0.5 level. The hope here would be that we can go back towards that congestion area of early 2014 around the 1 penny area. You can see the support on the way down, 0.66 would make for a decent initial target over the next couple of weeks for Vela. Ideal scenario as far as the downside is concerned, or stop losses, that we don't go back below the upper 0.3, so 0.38, 0.39 really, a stop loss currently on the bull argument if you're close to the market. That's it for me. See you tomorrow at the Twitter Traders event.